Hello, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Knot Patterns, the best pattern drafting channel in the world. So today we are going to be learning how to cut a school uniform top. All right. So the chest of these are the measurements we're going to be using: a shoulder of 17, chest of 40. Right. Shoulder of 17, chest of 40, the length of 26. So first, if you divide 40 by 4, you will have 10. All right. When you are cutting your chest, when you are folding your fabric, you divide chest by 4. So 40 by 4 is 10 plus 1 inch seam allowance, that becomes 11. So we are folding our fabric by 11. All right. So come up here and mark it by 3 inches down for the shoulder slope. We understand why we do shoulder slope. Okay, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos, please. I appreciate. Length is 26. If you notice, we are taking this length without adding anything to it. It's intentional. Okay, I'll show you why. Now we're going to cut this. All right, like this. We'll cut this like this and cut this like this. So I've removed the front block. Let us now get the back block. Then we will apply our measurements. All right. So we bring the front piece here. Keep it here. Right. We now shift it downwards, giving a difference of just 3.5 inches up here. That'll be okay. Yes. 3.5 inches up here. Then we'll curve this to the front. All right. Now, if you check the length of this shirt now, you can see we have 27.5. We have over 1.5 inch allowance for the seam, the hemming. All right. Now let's go ahead and apply our measurements. We say shoulder is 17 divided by 2. That is what? 8.5 plus half inch seam allowance. That becomes 9. So this is now our shoulder. To get our arm, we divide shoulder by 2. So 17 by 2 will give you what? 8.5. Minus 1 inch from it, you have 7.5. If we use the whole 8.5 at the end, the arm will be too wide. So this our arm depth automatically become our what? Our chest line. Okay, our chest measurement we said is 10. This is 10 right here. The remaining allowance there is for what? Is for seam, for sewing. Okay, now you come here, you have 8.5 here, bring it down here, 8.5. So join these points together, right? Mark the midpoint, come in by half inch, and then you can curve this way back to the shoulder. All right, for the neck you come down here by 3.5 inches, by wideness of about 2 inches, and then you curve it. All right, so we simply cut this out this way. Now remember, there is no button allowance. I'm going to show you why there is no button allowance. Okay, come in here by half inch to the front. Now you see, I didn't give button allowance because these are the kind of uniform. I don't know if I've seen students wear these uniforms where there's a placket in front here, stopping halfway, and it's having a collar. All right. So the buttons are like just here, like a native, just here to here. Then it has a collar. Okay, it's not opened all the way down. That's the kind of school uniform top I'm cutting right here. So this is just how to cut it. I believe you understand this. All right. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate. Thank you. See you some other time. Thank you.